Welcome back to Psych Quiz. Today, we bring you 12 challenges in Find the Odd One Out. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Round 1. Which one is different? Wow, it's right here. Round 2. Find the different one. Good job, it's right here. Round 3. What number is hidden in this picture? Incredible, it's 698. Round 4. Spot the odd one. Number 2. You nailed it. Guess the word. Excellent. It's 5-star. Round 6. Which number is missing from 1 to 10? Number 8. Fantastic. Which color is different? Excellent. It's C. Round 8. Spot the odd one among the mix of numbers. That's 1. Can you find it easily? Round 9. Can you find the letter G in this picture? You got it. Here's the odd age. Round 10. Which one is different? Wow, it's right here. Find the odd number. You nailed it. Wow, it's right here. Round 12. Can you spot the odd letter? Yes, it's the letter Q. Well done. Thank you for watching the video. Please share your score in the comments below. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.